All right, this is number 17, I believe. Yeah, from the assignment. And one of the tricks to this one is that they tell you it's tangent, which means it makes a right angle right here. It crosses the circle just once and makes a right angle. So that allows us to know it's a right triangle. And then from there, we can set it up with Pythagorean theorem. So we do leg squared plus leg squared, so we have 12 and x, and then the other side, the hypotenuse, is x plus 6, and so we have to square that. 144 plus x squared, and so then the trick is here, a lot of students will write x squared plus 36, but you actually have to take x plus 6 times x plus 6 and FOIL it out. So it's going to take a little bit of work. The left-hand side isn't going to change, but if we FOIL here, you'd have x squared plus 6x plus another 6x plus 36. Okay, and then I'm going to combine these in the middle. So x squared plus 12x plus 36. And now it's just like a bunch of crazy algebra. So we can actually subtract x squared from both sides, which is kind of nice because they'll cancel out. And now it looks like a little more friendly or familiar equation. Now just minus 36 from both sides. So I think that's 108, I believe. And then divide by 12, and that's going to be 9, I think. Okay, so what is the diameter of the fountain? So that's kind of stupid because x is 9, but then the diameter is twice that. X is the radius, so diameter would then be 8.